My God, have you ever seen a fire truck that can be customized? Oshkosh Striker is a 606 monster specially designed for airport firefighting. It has a wide chassis, stable suspension, and strong power. It has a Scania DC-16 V8 diesel engine with a maximum power of 770 horsepower. Equip it with 11,500 liters of water tank, 1,600 liters of fire extinguishing foam, and high-pressure water bubbles that can reach 11,000 liters per minute. Oshkosh TK FAR Type Independent suspension system has excellent off-road performance and protects every inch of length. The vehicle's main and secondary guns can spray 11 tons of water every 2 minutes to suppress the fire. What's your evaluation of it?